Hey guys, we're going camping with the family. You barely can see them because it's very dark. It really got dark. We're taking the boat, which is on top of the car, and we have all the things packed in the back. So I'll see you guys once we get there. I think we're gonna pass by 7-Eleven to get some ice for the coolers since we're staying there all night. And I believe we're coming back tomorrow, which is Saturday noon. So yeah, I'll be vlogging my experience for you guys. At the 7-Eleven. Can you guys see that? Okay. My husband's getting ice and a lighter to turn on the fire once we get there. I hope I can record tonight if I hope it's not as dark, but at least I can record the fire. Duh. But I'm exhausted. I really am. I'm just hoping I get enough energy to have some fun tonight and some fun tomorrow. That's all. But I'm a little tired already. I'm just praying that I get energy.
Esta es la otra fridera ya.
Ya. Qué bonito queda. Que sepan rico. Eso no se lo como. Cuando yo empiece a ganar dinero, yo te contrato de camarógrafo. Ahorita no te puedo pagar.
Buenos días.
Buenos días, bello durmiente.
He fell asleep too long.
Breakfast is almost served in his tent.
What's this?
Aquí ya hice el otro.
La Jiménez y yo, pues como aquí, como a un lado.
That's what
¿Qué tiene ahora?
Un poquito más.
Manny,
Manny, vente para acá, deja la pelota de
siente.
niña ahí.
¿Tú sabes la lluvia?
¿Ah? Yo no sabía que iba a llover.
Yo fui, no estaba tampoco.
No
Yo
tenía-
dije que a ver que está mojado.
A ver si nos estamos
Hasta el
viendo.
año pasado.
Sí, yo creo que comenzaba a caminar como un perro por ahí.
No se meta, ¿no?
¿Ah?
No se meta.
No hay tanta ola.
Ay, no.
Ay, no.
A ver,
Naco, más rato de ahí, por lo menos. De ahí de la orilla, vamos a tirar más rato. Por lo menos.
everything looks yummy so far.
Hay corriente.
And
Cayó
my
encima del
tummy.
otro.
Yo también.
Están muy pegados. Ay, se oyeron. Están demasiado quemados. Pero se sienten ricos. Eso le falta. No, Elisa, no le falta, tan bueno. Esto le falta. Mira, no se va a poder ni dar vuelta.
Sí, ayer le está dando mucho fuego.
Quiero ver si lo puedo. Déjame ver si yo puedo. De este lado, güey. look at the campsite.
Wow! Mommy, I did some for you.
Yeah, I know. We caught 12. So, así es cuando uno se despierta en la mañana, escucha las olas del mar. Say hi. Ahora Javi va a aparecer en mi vlog. Eso a la casa de acampar. Vamos a ir rapidito a un kids birthday party, creo que es. But yeah, but this is my look. Bien simple. After the camping, guess what happened? We ended up rescuing 2 kittens, 2 baby kittens. So I've been under the watch of them. I went and bought them formula in a little bottle to feed them. And I also put some food and some water. And this is the kittens. Look at them. One is black and the other one. And I just kind of roll this little blanket. And they go in there if they get cold. And I got them like a little toy. But they don't play yet with the toys. But I think they're like around 3 to 4 weeks. They are so cute. We are not sure if we're gonna keep them. I'm kind of just fostering them because since I found them, and I feel so bad for them, and pretty much that's what I did. I just, you know, brought them here and they're doing okay. The yellow one is more a daredevil. Like, he didn't care. Like, he met me and I gave him food. He ate food. He's really, they say that 3 to 4 weeks they really don't eat food, but he ate tuna and he had milk. Like, he did so good. And then the one that is hidden over there, do you guys see her? Like, this is the one I'm talking about that is a daredevil. Right here. And then the other one, you guys see her right there? She is very shy, and it's taking her a long time to come along, but she finally came and we're able to feed. And I stimulate them with a little wipey. I stimulate them, and because I'm like, I'm not leaving them out here so the raccoons can eat them, because they were in a really bad shape, guys. So I brought them inside and I just put like a towel underneath. I looked up, I googled it and looked up how do you foster kittens, and there's so much things that they tell you, so much information. So I was worried, and yeah, they were in very bad shape. And I brought them in, I showered, they showed me how to bathe them with what temperature of water. I use baby Aveeno, soap on them, and I washed them, I cleaned them up, I put them in here, and then I warmed them up. Then I started stimulating them so they can urinate. They didn't urinate, so I got worried. But I fed them again, and they're eating much better, they're playing much better, they are kind of doing much better. So yeah, I stimulate them and they use the bathroom, so I'm happy. And yeah, I'll let you guys know. Like I said, we're not sure we're gonna keep them. We have to call like an animal place to see if they can tell us something about it. But yeah, the kids want them. The kids wants to keep them, but it's 2 cats, guys, not 1 but 2. And we looked around also where they were to see if there was more, but we only found 2. But yeah, I think they're gonna be good. Look, they went in there and they're sleeping, so I'm gonna leave them alone and let them rest, because they are literally like babies. And I looked up into YouTube, right? YouTube videos, duh. And because I was worried, like, oh my god, what do I do? Like, what cat milk I give them. So this is like a kitten's replacement milk, like a KMR, and it's $15. It's very expensive, but I just went and got it, and that's what pretty much I'm feeding them. But yeah, I didn't have the heart to just leave them in the bad shape they were. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna be ending up the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed my little adventure when we went camping. I also gonna keep you guys updated with the cats. They're actually doing pretty good. I think my husband decided to keep them. We're not sure yet. But the kids named them Dora and Diego since they told us it was a male and a female cat. Arle, don't do that, mama. She hates having things on her hair. Like, she's always snatched. Mira, she messed up her little bow already. She's always snatching things off her hair, like always. I have a lot of chores to do. Manny is helping me fold the clothes right there. We have a lot of laundry to fold, so I'm just gonna get right into it. Guys, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Arle, you throwing 40s. Subscribe to my channel. Comment down below. I'm gonna be vlogging more for you guys pretty soon. I'm sorry it took so long for me to upload. Yeah, support this girl on her journey. Bye.
Bye.